I'll be right back. I'll be right back. That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun. I'm running a bit late. I'm running a bit late. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I'll sort it out. I'll sort it out. That makes total sense. That makes total sense. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. It depends on timing. It depends on timing. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet. That works for me. That works for me. I'm just heading out. I'm just heading out. Let's leave it there. Let's leave it there. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. That rings a bell. That rings a bell. I'm up for it. I'm up for it. I'll check and see. I'll check and see. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. That's good to know. That's good to know. I'm nearly finished now. I'm nearly finished now. Let's play it safe. Let's play it safe. I'm glad you said that. I'm glad you said that. I'll be in touch. I'll be in touch. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. I'll give it thought. I'll give it thought. It's worth a try. It's worth a try. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. That's completely fair. That's completely fair. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I'll think it through. I'll think it through. That crossed my mind. That crossed my mind. I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced yet. I'll leave it open. I'll leave it open. That clears things up. That clears things up. I'm keeping my options open. I'm keeping my options open. Let's talk it through. Let's talk it through. I'll go along with it. I'll go along with it. That caught me off guard. That caught me off guard. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Let's move on then. Let's move on then. I'm just killing time. I'm just killing time. That's easier said than done. That's easier said than done. I'll bear that in mind. I'll bear that in mind. I'm happy either way. I'm happy either way. Let's not rush things. Let's not rush things. I'll give it a go. I'll give it a go. That's a good point. That's a good point. I'm leaning towards yes. I'm leaning towards yes. I'll make it work. I'll make it work. Let's call it quits. Let's call it quits. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to suggestions. That's not ideal. That's not ideal. I'll see what happens. I'll see what happens. Let's keep things simple. Let's keep things simple. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'll sleep on it. I'll sleep on it. That's exactly what I meant. That's exactly what I meant. I'm cutting it close. I'm cutting it close. Let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. I'll handle it myself. I'll handle it myself. That's all sorted now. That's all sorted now. I'm glad we spoke. I'm glad we spoke. I'll wait and see. I'll wait and see. That explains a lot. That explains a lot. Let's do it properly. Let's do it properly. I'm trying to focus. I'm trying to focus. I'll keep that quiet. I'll keep that quiet. That's a valid view. That's a valid view. I'm just double checking. I'm just double checking. Let's get started then. Let's get started then. I'll meet you there. I'll meet you there. That doesn't add up. That doesn't add up. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Let's put it off. Let's put it off. I'll catch up later. I'll catch up later. That feels about right. That feels about right. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. Let's stick with this. Let's stick with this. I'll be honest here. I'll be honest here. That could work well. That could work well. I'm not ruling it out. I'm not ruling it out. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I'll leave it with you. I'll leave it with you. That's good enough for now. That's good enough for now. I'm keeping busy lately. I'm keeping busy lately. Let's see tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow. I'll make time later. I'll make time later. That didn't go well. That didn't go well. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. Let's talk later on. Let's talk later on. I'll remember that. I'll remember that. That was unexpected. That was unexpected. I'm all set now. I'm all set now. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up. I'll sort it later. I'll sort it later. That should do it. That should do it.